How to complete a test through XAMS. Go to https://lantra.exams.co.uk. Log into XAMS using the username and password provided. Read through the instructions and confirm you are happy by clicking both of the tick boxes. Then click Next. Click the Start next to your assessment. Now you will need to enter the assessment password provided to you. Click Submit. Read the instructions and click Start when you are ready. Answer each question by selecting the tick boxes next to your chosen answer. Click on Next to move on to the next question. You can go back to a question to check or amend any of your answers by clicking on the question number on the left side of the screen. Once you have completed your assessment and are happy with the answers you have given, click on Finish. Select OK in the confirmation window that appears. You will then see a confirmation that the assessment has been completed. Click on Close to return to your list of assessments. You can now log out of XAMS.